Dividends are cash payments that companies make to their shareholders, usually on a quarterly basis. When a company earns profits, it can either reinvest that money back into the business or distribute some of it to shareholders as dividends. Companies that pay dividends are typically mature, profitable businesses with stable cash flows. Think of banks, utilities, consumer goods companies, and big tech firms. The dividend yield tells you what percentage of the stock price you'll receive in dividends annually. A stock trading at $100 with a $4 annual dividend has a 4% yield. The real power isn't just collecting dividends, it's reinvesting them to buy more shares, which then generate even more dividends. This creates a compounding snowball effect. A long-term study showed that reinvesting dividends accounted for roughly 84% of the S&P 500's total returns since 1960. That's staggering. Even better, look for dividend aristocrats, companies that have raised their dividends for 25 or more consecutive years. These companies have proven their ability to grow payouts through recessions, market crashes, and economic uncertainty. That kind of reliability is worth its weight in gold for income-focused investors. Start with dividend-focused ETFs for instant diversification. They hold hundreds of dividend-paying stocks in a single fund, reducing your risk if any single company cuts its dividend. As you gain experience, you can add individual dividend stocks. Look for companies with a payout ratio below 60%, consistent earnings growth, and a long history of dividend increases. Diversify across sectors so you're not overly dependent on any single industry. Set up automatic dividend reinvestment through your broker to harness the power of compounding without lifting a finger. And be patient. Dividend investing is a marathon, not a sprint. Dividends are cash payments that companies make to their shareholders, usually on a quarterly basis. When a company earns profits, it can either reinvest that money back into the business or distribute.